Everyone, I'm Barbara Coward and welcome to Stanford University. So my plan was to film in front of the Graduate School of Business, but guess what? They're doing some work on the sidewalk and the sign, the iconic sign for GSB, is covered with the tarp. Not the most attractive place to film a video or most helpful, to be honest. So I came over to the main campus to film here, right in one of the quads overlooking Memorial Church, which is absolutely beautiful. And wanted to say that when you're looking at schools, don't forget to consider the parent university. That's part of your experience as well. There are some business schools that are very kind of set apart and just their own business school, and then some that really feel a sense of community with the wider university. I felt that way at Yale, I felt that way at Tuck, and I do feel that way here at Stanford. So if you're going to visit a school, yes, go to the business school, but then walk around the main campus, see how it feels, if it seems like a place you're going to thrive, and I think that would be really important. Harvard is another one of popular choice for my clients. Great business school, beautiful campus, but it does feel detached from the main Harvard campus because it's over the river. This feels much more integrated with the main campus here at Stanford, the business school. Anyway, something to consider. I hope you find this helpful. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.